Ano po ang name and section nyo?
Claire Kim David from SEE 07A
And what's your major?
English.
My name is Chanelyn Avalos, fourth year student and taking Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English.
My name is Jerlyn Villena, same as my friend. I am also a fourth year college student taking up a Bachelor of Secondary Education English major.
My name is Ronald Kaisip. I'm from C07A and I am part of the BS Ed English.
Why did you choose teaching?
Actually, takot talaga ako public speaking. Pero dahil sa fear ko na yon, tinry ko na bakit hindi ako mag-edu para ma-enhance ko or mapakita ko kung ano yung kaya ko sa pagsasalita in public.
I like offering my service to the students, and that's when I found out that it's fulfilling on my end to help students, and that made me realize to choose education as my course.
I was inspired by one of my professors, or my teachers rather, in senior high school and junior high school as well.
It was not my first choice, but since I am a working student, I am an ESL teacher, so I think it is related. It is important to learn by myself, to teach them well, and to inspire them.
So in the future, would you like to teach in public schools or private schools?
I will try first the private school, and then after that, after I pass the LET exam, siguro doon ako magpa-public.
I believe teaching in public schools would be better.
I want to teach in public kung bibigyan ng chance ni Lord, why not, diba? So, but right now, my plan is to teach in private.
My main goal is to work abroad, pero at the same time, I also want to be a volunteer teacher here in the Philippines. Gusto kong pumunta sa mga iba't ibang mountains or malalayong lugar para makapagbigay, maging knowledgeable naman yung mga bata doon.
And what's the hardest subject for you?
Language research, since it's very technical, and of course it's making research papers.
Research. Siyempre, alam naman natin yung research, masyado siyang detailed. Lahat kailangan malinis. Dapat lahat, it's thorough, sabi nga nila. So, mahirap siya kasi dapat lahat may backup ka lagi para mapaglaban mo yung mismong paper mo.
Ideal motivation to keep teaching in the future po?
Hindi ko kakalimutan yung feeling of fulfillment na naramdaman ko noon pa, na sa tuwing tumutulong ako sa mga estudyante, it makes me happy. And yun yung pangahawakan ko para to try for more siguro. Yeah.
Any advice for aspiring edu students?
Laban lang. Alam naman natin na mahirap mag-aral, pero kaya yan. Tignan mo nga, nasa fourth year na kami pero kinakaya pa rin.
Sabihin nyo lang sa sarili nyo, hindi ako teacher lang. Teacher ako kasi without teachers, you cannot produce any future professions or professionals.
For myself and for other people, siguro yun lang din masasabi ko, laban lang. Kaya yan. If you want to do something, you just have to set on your mind that you can do it.
Cliche as it sounds, pero huwag ka lang mag-give up. Talagang dapat panghawakan mo lang yung gusto mo at yun yung magiging bridge mo para magawa mo siya at malampasan mo lahat.